Welcome to the third part of the video. Here we will look into the left out input fields like address, pin code, city, hobbies and gender field. After all these validations, we will look the final part, which is the drop down menu. So let's begin. Let's just create one ID.
So it is gender here. Here ID will be ID. It's necessarily male. So on key up, validate, gender, copy, paste, female. Okay. Function, validate, gender, and that will be var variable gender selected equals to document dot query selector input name gender checked. If gender selected not equals to null, then gender error dot inner HTML equals to copy paste return true. Here gender error dot inner HTML please enter your gender. Return false.
So basically here we are checking the input field where the name is gender, whether it's checked or not. If it's checked, that means if it's not equals to null, then we are gonna show that tick sign. And if that's not checked, then we are gonna show one error message, name, please enter your gender. So now after that, we're gonna this country field. So basically here we are gonna need to add some more lines of code. So basically we are gonna do this one state, country, state and district fields later. First we are gonna finish this address, pin code, city and hobbies field. Let's just hop into address field. Address here. So here we're gonna get ID. That ID is address and on key up validate validate address, copy, come here, function validate address, make it here, var address document dot get element by ID address dot value. If address equals to if address is null, that means empty, then we're gonna show address error dot inner HTML equals to address is required return false. After this, address error dot inner HTML. Return true. So basically here you're just checking that address field can't be empty, and if it's empty we're going to show one error, address is required. If it's not empty then there will be a checksign like this, and if it's empty this type error label will be shown up. So similarly for pin code, just for pin code we're going to check and two extra partitions. Let's just see this again. So here let's just copy this ID and function, paste it here and change it to pin code ID and validate, not address, it will be pin code. Copy. So here paste validate pin code. Small pin code, copy, paste. That length, if it's 0 then pin code error HTML pin code is required. I'm gonna copy this same condition, paste it here. Pin code dot length, if it's not equals to 6, as we know pin code number should be of 6 digit, so we're gonna check that also. Pin code should be of 6 digits, return false. And for pin code we are need to generate a regex, as a pin code doesn't contain any digit other characters rather than a digit, so not pin code dot match. So what we're gonna match, pinning 0 to 9 and the length of that will be 6 maximum, closing. This is the regex for pin code matching. If it's not matched then only digits please, this error will be shown up. So let's check. Okay, let's just move this part here, paste it here. Okay, only digits. What happened? Pin code error. Pin code error. Okay, pin code is okay now working. Now validate city. City will be same as address. We're going to just check for empty field, nothing other than that, because the city name might contain a digit. We're not going to restrict on that. Just we're going to check it shouldn't be, that field shouldn't be empty. So what's that? Validate city. So validate and in place of address it will be city. It will be CITY city.value city and a city name. Validate city. Okay, city name, city error, city name is required, city required. Okay, city error, return true. Okay, now last part will be for hobbies. So let's just copy this and we're gonna paste it here again, make it here one ID and on key up. Where is it? HOBBIES, hobbies, copy. So in hobbies field we are going to check through characters left. So for that we are going to use a variable, let's just name it required, and it's initialized to value 15. So now we are going to check for the left characters, that will be required minus hobbies dot left. If let's just make it more readable. Required char left char hobbies dot it will be length left char. If it's greater than 0, hobbies error dot html left char plus more characters required return false. Hobbies error return true. So it will gonna work as like this. Okay, now all those fields are completed, so let's check it once more. Okay, now it's almost completed. Now we are gonna show see the validations. Now we are gonna show these drop down validations in the next video. Please stay tuned. Thank you.